Hey guys, welcome to DAN Garage channel, and today the video about how to change the lower control arm. And we have here 2005 BMW 6 Series. Check this out. While vehicle in motion and brake, we got two fingers. Let's do reverse. Okay, let's lift her up the car and see what we got there. This is the control arm I'm going to replace. It's called the forward control arm, and you can see the bushing right there is completely destroyed. I don't know if you can see it. Some rubber pieces in there. First, what I need to do, as of it hidden behind that cover, I need to remove the fender liner in order to reach to that bolt from the other side right there. Check this out, guys, right there. This is the control arm and the bushing. Look at that. It's completely destroyed. So that's why when you use the brakes, the whole knuckle with strut is just moving back and forth, and you can feel, definitely you can feel that something is wrong with your suspension while driving. So we got a new lower control arm. It's called the forward lower control arm. And here is the rearward right there on the back of the knuckle right there. So I'm gonna replace that. All we need to accomplish this job, only few tools. We have a couple of ratchets, wrenches, and 8mm, 10mm, 19mm, and 7/8 sockets, and a few screwdrivers, flat, and a Phillips screwdriver. And I have breaker bar with 19mm, 17mm socket for to lose the wheels lug nuts. Let's start. New lower control arm is in place, and it took me about 30 minutes, guys, to replace it. It's easy and simple job. You can do it by yourself and save a lot of money. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and click that notification bell so you can receive the new videos. Smash the like button, smash the like button, smash the like button.